y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making homemade waffles. We are going to turn all of these lovely ingredients into fresh homemade waffles that we are then going to put in the freezer so that your kids have breakfast on those busy mornings or whenever they want. First, we are going to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Yep, scoop it, level it. In the bowl it goes, 2 cups. After that, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1, 2. Next, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder. In the bowl it goes. And last, we are going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's just my salt shaker right there. Then you're going to get a fork, stir it around a little bit. Stir, stir, stir. And then after it's stirred up, it really doesn't matter if you stir, but after you stir it up, we're gonna set that to the side. Now we're gonna do our wet ingredients. That is 1/4 cup of melted salted butter, 1 3/4 cups of milk. Next, we have 2 eggs beaten up a little bit, scrambled around with a fork. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I make my own. Sometimes I add a smidge more. You can never have too much, really. Then we're going to attach the whisk attachment. I don't know what that thing's called. And we're going to turn it on and we're going to mix up the wet ingredients. Then we're going to slowly add the flour because if you add it all at one time, it goes poof all over your counter. So slowly add in your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. After it stirs a little bit, then you're going to stop it for a minute and we're going to take our spatula, a spoon, whatever you have handy, scrape down the sides, and then finish mixing it together. And then once it's done mixing, you're just going to take that off. This is what it's going to look like, a little loose, just like battery. All right, this is my waffle iron, which I spray with my little olive oil sprayer thing. Then we're just going to fill the waffle iron up. I set a timer for 4 minutes, and that's how long it takes my waffle iron to make waffles. Now you will see at the end, this is going to make 14 waffles, and it costs probably about $1.50 to make the 14 waffles. I compared it to a box of 24 at Walmart, just a great value, and 24 count was $4.14. So the cheap frozen waffles came out to 17 cents each. My homemade waffles came out to 11 cents each. And let me put the ingredients up on the screen for a minute just for those Walmart waffles. What the heck? Why do we need all that garbage in waffles? So not only is making homemade waffles cheaper, but you can see here that I didn't have very much left, so I'm like scraping out the end of my bowl there to make that last waffle. So anyways, you can tell that it's cheaper, and also the ingredients are better if you make it homemade. That's why I love homemade waffles, and they easily go from freezer to toaster, no problem. Look at those beautiful waffles. Absolutely beautiful, easy to make. It probably took me 30 minutes from start to finish to make those waffles. And that's it. If you like this video, give it a like, and I'll see you next time. Bye.